And now you're gently beginning to float out of the building. Leaving the building for now, but knowing that you can go back in the future any time that you desire to do so. Before coming back to a wide awake and fully alert state, be aware of all the wonderful experiences you have just had. And feel the good feelings of well-being in your body and the peace that is in your mind. And now you have a new awareness, a new perception, a deeper understanding, an inner sense of strength and peace. You can understand now what Jesus meant when he said, "The kingdom of God is within you."